Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how potato chips is made, step by step.
Tons of fresh potatoes arrive daily. Freshness here dictates everything that follows. Every delivery is logged, weighed, and inspected before moving further inside. Batches are checked for size, skin, and sugar. Too much sugar means dark chips. That batch is rejected. Even a 1% deviation alters taste, texture, and shelf life. Every gram is accounted for. Potatoes drop into massive steel hoppers. The transformation begins. Machines stretch across the floor, processing tens of thousands of kilograms every shift. First stop, high-pressure washing. Soil, debris, and bacteria are blasted away. Industrial peelers strip the skin in seconds. Fast, precise, zero waste. Workers and optical sensors sort the line. Damaged or undersized potatoes get pulled. Only the best continue. A central control room monitors every stage. Temperature, speed, and output are tracked live around the clock. Slicing machines are the core. They cut identical wafer-thin slices. Too thick, no crunch. Too thin, it breaks. Millions of chips a day, every slice matching the last. Impossible by hand, essential at this scale. In slow motion, every slice tumbles forward, perfectly formed, ready for the heat. Robotics handle what human hands once did. Same standard, first batch to last, zero variation. Slices ride conveyors in a continuous, unbroken flow. There are no pauses on this line. Operators watch key stations. Automation is fast, but human eyes still catch what sensors miss. Next, the fry. Continuous fryers hold a precise temperature. Too cool, oily. Too hot, burnt. Golden and crisp, chips drop straight into seasoning drums. Flavor is applied hot so it bonds and stays. A final visual check before packaging. Color, shape, and coating. A perfect chip is an exact thing. The packaging line runs at full speed. Thousands of bags are filled, weighed, and sealed every hour. Exact weight is dispensed into every bag. Anything off target is automatically rejected. Heat sealed in a fraction of a second. Airtight and fresh. That familiar crinkle? That's this seal. Labels are applied with robotic accuracy. Ingredients, nutrition, dates, nothing is skipped. From above, dozens of lines run at once, machines, conveyors, and people moving as one system. Bags are packed into cartons, and every box is weighed. Nothing leaves unchecked. In the QC lab, every batch is tested. Flavor, moisture levels, and oil levels are measured against strict standards. Equipment detects what the eye can't, guaranteeing the same taste and texture in every single bag. Metal detectors and X-ray scanners check every bag, every time. It's non-negotiable. Check weighers scan in milliseconds. You paid for 100 grams, you get exactly 100 grams. A palletizing robot stacks every approved box, layer by layer, fast and precise. Thousands of pallets line the rows. Older stock always ships first. Nothing sits too long. Loading bays stay active into the evening. Trucks head out to stores and distribution centers nationwide. From the air, it's not just a factory, it's a living system producing what billions reach for daily.
And that's how potato chips is made, from raw ingredients to the package you hold. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more factory tours, new videos every week. See you in the next one.